Hello and welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today we will be doing a deep dive into Litecoin, LTCUSD, price action. We'll start with a look at the current events and news surrounding Litecoin and correlate these events with price action on the charts. Recent news sources suggest a mixed outlook for Litecoin. While some sources point to positive factors such as potential ETF approvals and increasing whale accumulation, others highlight concerns about price volatility and the upcoming halving event. This uncertainty is reflected in the price action we see on the charts. Let's examine the daily chart for LTCUSD. We can observe a clear downtrend over the past few months, punctuated by periods of consolidation and brief upward movements. The price seems to be struggling to break above a key resistance level around $75. A sustained move above this level would signal a potential bullish reversal. Looking at the volume, we see increased trading activity during periods of significant price movements, particularly during the recent downtrend. High volume during declines may suggest a strong bearish sentiment. We need to monitor this to understand the force behind the price movements. Now let's zoom in on the 1-hour chart and look at the price action over the last week. This time frame provides a more granular perspective on the recent price fluctuations. We can see some short-term support and resistance levels forming within the broader downtrend. The price has oscillated around a support level of around $68. Notice the candlestick patterns on the 1-hour chart, such as hammer and hanging man patterns. These patterns are valuable for identifying possible reversals and potential short-term trading opportunities. We must always be wary when interpreting them, though. Shifting our focus to the 15-minute chart, let's analyze the price action within a specific period of high volatility. We can pinpoint support and resistance levels formed during this volatile period and try to identify correlations between news events such as the ETF speculation and the resulting price fluctuations. From the 15-minute chart, you can see rapid price movements and the quick shifts from bull to bear sentiment, which can be used to make high-risk, high-reward trades. The short time frame also highlights the significance of technical indicators such as RSI and MACD in identifying potential entry and exit points. In summary, the current market sentiment for LTCUSD is mixed, with uncertainty surrounding upcoming events such as the halving event and ETF approvals. Key support levels to watch are around $68 and $75 on the daily chart, while the $75 level is a potential resistance. On the hourly time frame, we see short-term support at $68 and resistance at $75. Short-term predictions point to continued volatility, with the likelihood of price swings around the $68 and $75 levels, depending on news events. Breaking above $75 could signal a bullish trend, but failure to do so could result in another decline to the $68 support. In the long term, the halving event could lead to a significant price change, but the direction is highly uncertain at this point. Things to look for in the coming days and weeks include news regarding ETF approvals, the impact of the halving event, and continued whale activity. These events could influence whether Litecoin breaks above the $75 resistance or falls below the $68 support, potentially leading to another downtrend. Remember, this analysis is based on the available data and news as of November 30th, 2024. The cryptocurrency market is inherently volatile, and these predictions are not financial advice. Always conduct your own research before making any investment decisions.